the person depicted there on, it's him.
mayelana ke nezinye izithombe lezi ke uyavuma ke umntanzi uthi yebo umuntu loyana ubonakala kuzona uyena.
And the features, as you place them on record as well, those are his features as depicted on those photos at the time they were taken.
Naloko kushilo okuchazile ke uthi ubona lokho kwisithombe nalapho ke uyavuma ke ukuthi yebo impela ke uyena loyo futhi naloko kushilo ukuthi ke ikona okubonayo ezithombeni.
Now, Warrant Officer, you've testified that you have analyzed, I'm not sure, did you also do the downloading or you only did the analysis?
Ingabe ukudownloada nakwakwenza okanye kwaba nje ucwaningo kuphela ianalysis right?
Did you do analysis?
Wenza ucwaningo wenza
No, my lord.
I was listening. This old man listens. Says he never did any analysis.
I explained.
Ngichazile
Into engayenza i-extraction yale CD esikhuluma ngayo la.
what I did was the extraction of the CD that we are talking about here.
And then mangikhumbula kahle izolo ngibuza ukuthi ithombe le album ya prepare bana I said akusima ngazi.
And yesterday I was asked as to who prepared the photos as well as the album, and then my response was I don't know.
And then ukuze ngize la bengicabanga ukuthi ngizobuzwa ngeauthenticity yale CD engiyenzile.
Coming here, I was under the impression that I would be asked about the authenticity of the CD that I cut or that I made.
And then no confirm ukuthi lesithombe njengoba bayenzile analyst la is the ones ezikule extraction engiyenzile of which yilokho engikwenzile.
And also be asked about the photos that are here, whether are the photos which I did an extraction on, which is what I did.
So nami ngathi sengiyadideka manje ukuthi kahle kahle ngisiwaphi.
I'm also now getting confused as to where exactly am I being taken to.
So owami umbono engawusho la kunkosi yenkantolo.
My viewpoint, on my view, what I can convey to the court,
Engicabanga ukuthi sengishilo i-extraction yami ukuthi ngiyayiqinisekisa ukuthi iyo njengoba injalo.
that I do confirm that my extraction is indeed, in other words, it is the confirmation of my extraction.
Engana nkinga mangabe bafuna ukuyiconfirm whoever angeza ayiconfirm sibone ukuthi iyamatcha yonke and then into engishoyo.
And I also don't have a problem that whoever would like to see that or to come and confirm that as to whether indeed does it correlate or does it match, or whether it is what I am saying.
Izolo ngiphinde ngabuzwa futhi nge chain of evidence of which ngiphinde ngayichaza futhi njengoba iphelele so